All right, good morning, everybody. It is now Friday. Okay, I've got one trade on right now, so let me give you this real quick here. I am short a mini NASDAQ, and I will provide you with a target. Hopefully my charts are working today. Let's see. Here's the test. All right, I am short a mini NASDAQ. It is working. All right. Okay, so I'm short with a target of 126.45. 126.45. And reverse is a 127.57 and a half. 127.57 and a half. This particular pattern is what I call a pairing pattern short. If I reverse, it will turn me into an HF1 buy. And the Einstein target is 126.45. Just going for level 1. Probably won't be getting too aggressive today unless things change, but being a Friday, sometimes it's iffy. Sometimes Fridays are really, really good, and sometimes they're not so good. So we'll just have to wait and see. I have nothing really on stocks right now, so we're going to continue to watch and see if something comes up, but I'm not seeing anything. The only one that I'm really watching, let's see, I am watching HSTO. Keeping an eye on that. Not seeing anything that really gets me excited to jump into it right now. Also watching ENZ. Already has 5 million in volume. It's pretty good pre-market. But I don't have anything yet there, so we'll keep an eye on that. Let's see here, what else? UVXY was another one that I was watching. UVXY. And let's see. You know what? I'm not too excited about that, but I will keep that on the radar. There's a lot of volume out there.
IBIO.
Okay, IBIO just popped up on the radar. That is making new highs. Yeah, volume's thin. Spread between the bid and the ask is 6 cents. I mean, I do like it. I just don't have... I do have some entries, but I don't like the spread yet, and the volume is very light. It's only 14,000. I could see this coming up to 218. 218. But I'm going to have to see some more volume in there before I jump in the IBIO. But it has been on the radar before, and it can be a really nice little stock to trade, but right now I'm just not seeing it yet, so don't really want to jump into it. I'd like to get a few more targets up here, and I like to see that that spread between the bid and the ask tighten a little bit more. So, all right, what else? FRC, it's too high. I like it, but it's $27 stock. Let's stay away from that. THMO. Good old THMO. THMO's been good to me. It's also been bad. It has not been nice to me. It got a little bit on it yesterday. THMO, nothing there. But I'll keep it up on my list here to watch. JNCE. I'm getting all these off of my scanner. Once again, just a quick disclaimer. What I do this morning, every morning, is just for demonstrational purposes only. This is, I do not trade for anybody's. I am not a financial advisor. I do not trade anybody's funds. I only trade my own personal funds. I do not give financial advice. This is only to demonstrate my approach to trading that I've used over the last 40 years of my trading career. The things that I use, I personally have developed. These are not tools that are publicly available. I've developed these myself, and they have been effective over the last 35 years. Spent the first 5 years of my life doing a lot of research, and I have spent thousands, tens of thousands of dollars on data and programming and everything else, and this is kind of where I've ended up. Everything I do is based off of patterns and a mathematical formula I didn't actually call it. It's called Einstein. I didn't put that name to it. The gentleman that developed it did. I've just incorporated into my patterns. So the patterns set up the buys and the sells. I have 4 to 5 patterns that I'm looking at. They're universal. They work across the board. So the same patterns that I'm using here with these stocks, whether I'm teaching THMO or in the case of being short the mini NASDAQ, all the same patterns. Einstein just provides me with profit targets, gives me levels. They have been accurate with a percentage of hitting their target over 70% before a reversal. So basically the way it works is that once it provides a particular target based on speed and momentum, and it's all calculated into the formula. If for some reason the momentum shifts and it picks up enough speed, velocity, whatever you want to call it, it will take a reversal. But most of the cases, it won't reverse. It will hit that target. And so it has a high degree of hitting my profit targets. That's why it does so well. So anyway, that to be said, remember, trading is risky. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Never follow me or anybody else. That is a losing proposition. All right. Also keep in mind that when we broadcast on YouTube, there is about a 7 to 10 second delay. So the key here is I'm just demonstrating my approach to trading that I've used. Like I said, I've only released my strategies started in 2019. Einstein, I only released less than a year ago. Einstein is going to be something that I will eventually not be offering anymore to the public. I'm going to put it back in the safe and lock it up and leave it here for my family. That's it. So that being said, so what do we have here? We're still short. Still short on the mini NASDAQ. We got the small Dow is down 264. E-mini is down 24. The mini Russell is down 25. It's not unusual to see the mini NASDAQ a lot of times go opposite. So if I do get triggered with a buy up here today, if I do happen to reverse, I will take that because it's not unusual to see the other indices going down with the NASDAQ going up. Not seeing anything on gold, not seeing anything on natural gas. Both going Gold's going up, gas going down. Looking at crude also going down. Long term, do I think this bank crisis will push gold over the 2,000? Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it will. Bank crisis or not, it's just the state of the economy right now. The question is, can they continue to raise rates? If they do that, they're really going to mess up these banks. So they're kind of in a dilemma. They may have to even lower the rates. So we'll see. But anyway, it's a mess no matter how you look at it. It's just that and these wars going on and just everything. It's just, still think the Dow's gonna come down and take out that gap that we saw back in, I think it was June of 2020 on the Dow. Take a look here. It's the daily down. Yeah, I think we're gonna go down. There was a gap way down there at 284.95. 284.95. We're at 322.46. So I think overall we are going to go down. Don't think we're gonna do it in one day, but I think we're gonna slowly maybe work our way down there and fill the gap. That's a gap that's been sitting back. Ooh, that goes all the way back to, yeah, 2020. So I think we'll get that gap filled up. All right, let's look at a few more stocks here. AUY. Yeah, that's a gold. Yamana Gold Inc. I don't, it doesn't have a lot of volume. I mean, I like what I'm seeing on the charts, okay, but I don't like the fact that the volume is so light. 32,000. That is just not enough for me to want to get into it. But I'll keep it on the radar. Maybe it will heat up a little bit later. I'm going to look at a few more here. We have another 15 minutes before the opening bell. Yeah, Glenn. But the good news for today, Glenn, is my charts are working. Finally. It was just a minor little setting. And so I think we're back in the biz. Something must have changed on an update. Had an update done the other day, and that may have affected things. But had a really, really good day yesterday. Probably not going to be as aggressive today as I was yesterday. As many of you know that have been following me for a while, my two favorite days are Sunday nights. Love to trade currencies on Sundays. And, of course, Thursdays. Thursdays all day. Thursdays in the morning, Thursdays in the evening. We were trading last night as well. Those are my two favorite days. So I do tend to get a little bit more aggressive on Thursdays. Fridays can be good, but Fridays can also be kind of iffy too. So we'll just see how things play out this morning. All right, let's see. What else do we have here? I think I've looked at FRC. Now I do like, oh yeah, FRC, $27. Nope. UVXY was on the radar the other day. Okay, I like that. Okay. All right, I have some potential trades on UVXY. Not great. $3.7 million, that's good. 1 cent spread between bid and ask, that's good. All right, UVXY. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy some UVXY right here. Buying UVXY, 593. All right, so let's apply Einstein. Where does Einstein say we may go today? Okay, 610. 610 is going to be one target. I see 616. Wow, 626. The higher up we go, the more time it may take in order to hit those levels. All right, let's just we'll keep an eye on it now. First target, 610. I'm in right here, 93. PLX. Nope, not enough volume on PLX. Pretty wild though. Really tight spread between bid and ask, but only 8,000 shares. Like the charts though, gosh. PLX. I could see PLX coming up to 218. What else does Einstein show on PLX? Got another pattern set up to 17. Another one shown to 14. Yeah. Not jumping in the PLX, but yeah, we'll keep our eye on it. See how that does today. All right, so I got a light position in UVXY. I want to keep an eye on UVXY in at 93. I wanted to go light because it's a little bit longer play pattern, which means I'm going to have to give it more room to play out. So a little bit bigger risk, so I'm not going to put on quite as many as I would if I had a much smaller risk factor. Nothing happened on the mini NASDAQ, still short the mini NASDAQ. RTY is down. We have RTY down. We have the E-mini down. Got about 6 minutes to go here now before the opening bell this morning. We got this small Dow down 216. Getting a buy on the crude oil. I don't know if I want to take any crude this morning. I may go light on crude. Once again, I don't want to get really too aggressive today. Okay, I'm going to buy some crude oil here. Let's take a look at crude. Buying crude here with a target of 68.65. That is gonna be my profit target, 68.65. This is what we call just a pairing pattern buy. HF1 reversal would come in down here at 67.45. That is going to be my reversal. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Entry buy.
CP trade at 8:28 a.m.
Alright, a couple minutes here before the opening bell. So I'm long the crude. I am short the mini NASDAQ. We've got about 30 seconds to go here before the opening bell. Still long UVXY. All right, opening bell down 94 right now on the Dow. Okay, US, let's see here. The mini NASDAQ, still long UVXY. It's moving against me. Didn't go too heavy though. Once again, this trade I got to give it a lot of room. So I didn't want to put on too heavy a position. We are short the mini NASDAQ. We are also along the crude oil. That is going to be a stop and reverse on crude down here.
SG.
All right, let's look at SG. SG was on the radar. I believe it was yesterday. This week it's been quite a few times. SG, SG. I don't want to have too many trades on. I get spread too thin. I can't keep up with everything. SG. What is SG? Ooh, no. Way too big of a spread. Bid and ask. You got a 20-cent spread. That's crazy. And I don't like what I'm seeing on the charts. It's going to have to really start picking up here. HSTO was another one that I've been watching.
SG.
HSTO, that is bouncing all over the place. Alright, still in UVXY. Once again, not going to get too aggressive today. It is a Friday. I'm in UVXY at 93, 593. Have a target sitting up here at 610. Another one up here at 616. Another one up here at 626. And we're finally starting to move here. Finally going green on UVXY. Okay, my mini NASDAQ is coming down. Let's take a look at that. Target 126.45.
SJ.
Okay, we're getting close to a reverse short on crude. Looks like we're going to have to take a reverse on crude. That is my reverse short down here. Come on, US Tech. Everything was moving good. Now it starts. It's just typical Friday, bouncing around. Still short mini NASDAQ. I'm out of crude. Reversed on crude. All right, so that's going to bring me down to 6705. 6705. think we just reversed also on the mini NASDAQ. Take a look at our mini NASDAQ. We did reverse. Okay, so we just went long a mini NASDAQ. So we've reversed on crude, reversed on the mini NASDAQ. All right, so 67.05 is going to be my target on crude. All right, profit target on the crude. We were long. We got stopped out, reversed, went short crude. Same thing on the NASDAQ. We were short the NASDAQ, reversed, and now we're long. I don't take more than one reversal. So if for some reason it comes back down, I will get out of the mini NASDAQ, and if the crude comes up, I'll get out of the crude. Okay, so we reversed and short the crude. Crude is getting down to our target down here. Profit target is going to be 67.05 on the crude. We're getting close to 67.05. Our exit my short. UVXY still pretty quiet, but moving higher. Still long at 93. All right, getting a short on the mini NASDAQ. Getting a short on the mini NASDAQ. Let's see what the mini NASDAQ shows.
INCY.
All right, short on the mini NASDAQ target. Short's right here. Target's going to bring us down to 1754.
HIBS.
All right, we're in RTY.
HIBS.
Short entry came in right here. My profit target is sitting down here. We'll go ahead and we'll get an alert down there at 1754. And reversal 1769. Wow, crude is getting really close. I'm not liking US Tech today. US Tech is chopping me up a little bit here. US Tech, which is the mini NASDAQ. So we're long the mini NASDAQ and we're short the mini Russell. Like I said, they can go opposite, so that doesn't concern me too much. They can have a negative correlation there. Still in UVXY. Still long at 93. We came up to 96. I think crude's getting ready to hit its target here. $67.05 is my target. Came down to 67.13, so holding out to hit 67.05. It's in a 67.13. Going for 67.05. All right, we just hit it. So out of crude. All right, so we're still long the mini NASDAQ and short the mini Russell. Which are doing absolutely nothing. UVXY is moving. Still on UVXY at 93,593. We're sitting at 590. I'm looking for my first target of 610. Being a Friday, I may get out at 610. We'll see what it does.
KRBP.
All right, so we got about a minute and a half to go before the top of the hour. We're going to end this broadcast, continue on in our live trading room. For those that are watching us, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We do this every morning. We do this for an hour
KRBP.
as a way of demonstrating my strategies and the way that I trade. These are my own tools that I use, or something that I've developed over the last 40 years of my trading career. I've been using them for 35 years. I don't use indicators, I use patterns. And my targets are based off of formula, not based off of support and resistance or anything like that. Channel, trend lines, channels, anything like that.
INZY.
And once again, if you would like more information on my strategies, there's a nice little video below this video. After I post it, there'll be a little link there. Go check out that video. It talks a little bit more about my patterns, which are called behavioral patterns. And then I also talk about the Einstein formula, which I use to provide me with these price targets, these levels. And we'll talk about the accuracy of it and a little bit more about kind of the theory behind it and why it works. And then if you do have any specific questions, the best way to get a hold of me is, of course, via my website. But also check out my YouTube channel. A lot of videos out there. And here we are at the top of the hour. So I want to wish everybody a really nice weekend. Everybody have a great weekend. We'll be back again Monday for my subscribers. We start Sunday night. So we'll be doing some trading Sunday night on the currencies. And that is going to wrap it up. So everybody have a good weekend. Be safe. And we'll see you hopefully first thing Monday morning. Take care.